Namaskara, mabuhay. So today is Sunday. Andito lang kami sa bahay. And also the weather is not good. Umuulan sa labas. Kaya naka-jacket ako ng medyo makapal na para siyang winter. But it is not yet winter here. Summer pa. The winter will start by maybe end of April. Towards end of April and then hanggang August or September. So ngayon is dahil wala naman akong gagawin dito sa kwarto, si Pratish at saka si Eshan is andun sa living room. They are watching some show. They have an afternoon movie date. So naisip ko dahil wala naman ako masyadong gagawin ngayon, may laruan dito si Esha na nabili namin. Though collectible siya, parang may surprise siya na bubuuin mo. So yun yung naging habit namin ngayon na every time we are going to the mall or yung tinatawag namin na the warehouse, nagko-kolekta kami. So ipapikita ko sa inyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So ganito siya, para siyang Kinder Joy. Pero ito, may gamit to dito na nakain na ni Eshan. So ang pangalan niya is Gummy Surprise. So there is a mini cities collection. So ganito yung mini cities na andon. So based here, ang wala na lang namin is itong coffee shop. The rest is meron na kami. So, may instruction din siya sa likod kung paano siya buuin. So, ito siya is nabuksan na to ni Eshan. Ganito na, kaya kailangan ko siyang i-form para madagdag doon sa collection namin. Papakita ko sa inyo yung na-collect na namin. So, ito yung collection namin. May salon, merong milk tea shop. Ito is para siyang parking area. May pet shops, may tower, may cinema, another salon. Yung iba is paulit-ulit na kasi nadodoble na yung nakukuha namin. Then may hospital, bowling, coffee shop again, may airport din kami, may skate park, another airport, hospital, then yung convenience store. Ang una kong bubuuin is yung fashion mall, Central Fashion Mall. Ang isa is itong hair salon. So, andito na siya lahat. Let's see. Kasi nag-mix up na yung mga parts niya. So, let's do it. May sticker din siya na ganito. Madali lang naman siya kasi may instruction naman siya kung paano siya gawin. Kung ano yung uunahin nyo una. At then, ano yung i-connect nyo to each of its part. Buo na. And after nito is ipapasok siya dito. Ito. Ay, buo siya. May hagdanan siya. Cute na hagdanan dito. And then, next itong green. You have a hard time on this one, love.
Mata.
Yes, my
Can I
Lala.
eat this one?
Yes, ask Mama to open it.
Mama, can you
Yeah,
please
we want to
open
fix.
it?
It will be wet here.
What are you going to do?
This one.
We already. Where is the first? Okay. Second is not yet done. Oh yeah, second also done. Okay. Third you need to. Oh, why am I on the video? Move that side, Mama, please. Hi, my love, Chuchu. I love you, Chuchu.
Love you too.
This one. Then Sandy, Mama. This one like this.
But do you see any baggage?
Watch out for the seeds, my love, ha?
There's no even seeds.
Okay.
This one next, and that one where it will go.
I need it.
Close the door, please.
Okay, that's the stairs. It will go like this. Okay.
No. Put it in the top.
No, this one.
No, middle. There.
Here.
Yes.
Oh, okay, connected now.
Okay. And the rooftop. Yes, this na. Go there na.
Okay.
Okay, fix this one. I have a hard time a while ago. So I'll continue doing it. I know how to do it already, the other parts. This one. And then... The bag is so cute. And then to make this, I put the sticker. There's a sticker. Ay, sorry. Central. Fashion Mall. Oopsie. Then, next is, that's it. It's done. Ang next na bubuuin natin is itong hair salon. So, ito muna yung lalagay natin. Yung parang roof niya. The next, yung sa ilalim. Ay, ito na yun lang. Ito. The next, itong layer na ganito. Ba, bilis. And the next is itong main floor niya. Lalagyan muna natin nitong sticker niya. Then after is kukonek siya dito. Ano siya? Then nun is ito sa ilalim. Ito siya. Then lalagay siya sa kanyang platform. Tcharan! Bilis lang, di ba? Kulang ko na lang is itong gunting, parang trademark ng salon. Meron din siyang stickers. Tcharan! Cute, di ba? Tapos dito siya ilalagay sa harap. Okay. Done na. So, ito na siya. First is yung fashion, yung Central Mall. At saka yung isa naman is yung hair salon. So, ang wala na lang, hindi na lang namin nakuha is itong coffee shop. Hopefully, makukuha na namin to next time. Bye!